On to the next question. Ooh, yeah, these are starting to get kind of... These are definitely getting dark. They're definitely getting darker. Let's go over by the water. Where do all these hats go after they get filled up? They go to hat heaven. They go to hat heaven and live peacefully for the rest of their hatting lives. Can we? I don't think I can fit my selfie stick on here. Yeah, it doesn't balance on there. All right, I guess I'll just hold it. The beach in the background. Okay, question. Jerry from HBO's Winning Time. Look, what is that? So the trash? No, not the trash. What's up, that guy over there? All right, question number 65. If a very close friend learned she had incurable cancer, and only 6 months to live, would you withdraw or try to spend more time with her? I feel like this is a pretty clear-cut answer. Oh, is that another streamer? Guy on a selfie stick. He's got like he's got his phone plugged in, charging as well. Definitely spend more time. Yeah, for me that's an easy answer. That's an easy answer. But you never. We've had some questions that really, threw us for a loop. So let me read it again before we start the prediction. Question number 65. If a very close friend learned she had incurable cancer and only 6 months to live, would you withdraw or try to spend more time with her? Let me make this prediction. Cancer friend. Withdraw. Spend more time. Oh. All right, 5 minutes on the clock, starting now. Get your predictions on. Crazy Tom, what's up? Where am I at? Check the title, exclamation mark title. On, what's up? When are you? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. They weren't a close friend, become a close friend in that time. I agree. Whatever they need in their last moments, I'd agree. Oh, I didn't put a space between California and that bracket. Did I just get a fucking paper cut? No, I'm good. You're in Newport? Ah, gotcha. Let's see. But yeah, get your predictions in, chat. The question once again: if a very close friend learned she had incurable cancer and only 6 months to live, would you withdraw or try to spend more time with her? Have a beautiful stream. Yo, thank you, Ton. I appreciate that. Title has been fixed. One person is a monster in chat. Hey, it may not necessarily mean that they're a monster. Rather, that they feel whoever we end up asking will be the monster. How close of a friend is she? It's open to interpretation. What kind of food is my personal chef cooking for you? Everything. I'd hope that my personal chef, if, from that previous question, if it's somebody that's gonna, cooking for me for that period, like 5 years or something like that, I would hope that it would be, you know, somebody that knows basically everything. So I want everything. Do people believe in monsters? Yeah. I mean, we're in Huntington Beach, so with everything on this question, oh shit. Well, good luck. Oh, got a freshly eaten clam shell. Show you, monster. Oh, you know where I'm at. You know where I'm at. All right, we're about halfway through the prediction. The question, once again, for anybody who's just joining, we're about to ask this to a random stranger and see whether or not they're going to choose to withdraw or spend more time. The question, once again, if a very close friend learned she had incurable cancer, and only 6 months to live, would you withdraw or try to spend more time with her? Huntington Beach, so yeah. Take that into consideration. Got a lot of monsters out here. Some people won't be. Yeah, exactly. Like some people, they want to. I understand why somebody would want to withdraw, and like I can respect that answer. For me personally, I'd spend more time. Yeah, someone who's been through it, I think it's 50-50. Yeah. Exactly. So we don't know. We'll see. It's tough watching someone suffer and, like, you know, fight alongside them. It's painful. It's very painful. I know the feeling. When my dad had leukemia, it was really hard to deal with. Exactly. It's hard to deal with. So somebody who, you know, has possibly gone through it out here, whoever we end up asking, you know, they might have experienced it. They don't want to go through that pain again. They want to just remember the good times. Maybe she doesn't even want you around. Yeah. You ever think about that? But for me personally, it's like I would stick by their side. I would stick by their side. As painful as it is, to be there for someone else is very important to me. Especially in like a time like that. All right, coming to a close. 1.4K versus 12.7K. All right, let's do it. All right, let's find someone to ask.